name is Ana Agung Ayudhya Kusmadevi. Today we will learn about inheritance, especially monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross. A monohybrid cross is a cross with one different characteristic. The point is that in this cross, we only pay attention to one characteristic, such as flower color, red, white, or fruit shape, round, oval. In a monohybrid cross, Mendel-1 law applies because at the time of forming the second gamete, G2, the genes in the allele that were previously paired will undergo free separation in the two daughter cells or gametes. Freely here means that the separation of the two genes does not affect the other pair of genes. Mendel did a monohybrid cross with one different trait, which showed dominants that appear altogether and dominants that did not appear fully or intermediate. Genetic cross of single gene combination, monohybrid inheritance, can be shown and examined using Punnett squares. This shows the possible offspring combination that could be produced, and the probability of this combination can be calculated. There are two parts of monohybrid cross. Number one is a case of full dominance. Cross in the case of full dominance will result in the presence of one stronger gen than the trait of the other gen. As a result, the trait of the stronger gen can mask the trait of the weaker gens. In this case, gens with strong traits are called dominant gens, and gens with weak traits are called recessive gens. For example, the cross between red rose MM capital and white rose MM lowercase, with the M capital gen is truly dominant to M lowercase, and do the cross until you get F2. P1 or parental 1, MM capital is red and MM lowercase is white. Because the allele is homozygous, then the gamete is only 1, M capital and M lowercase. F1 is M capital, M lowercase. M is dominant over M lowercase, so F1 is red. P2, M capital M lowercase is red and M capital M lowercase is red. Mendel-1 law applies where M capital and M lowercase separate independently when gamete formation, and the F2 is M capital is red, M capital M lowercase is red, and MM is white. Based on the cross above, we can find out the phenotype and genotype comparison, that phenotypes are visible traits. So, based on the result of F2, we can know that the phenotypic ratio is 3 and 1, 3 red traits and 1 white trait. Meanwhile, for comparing the genotype, it was obtained M capital, M lowercase, and MM lowercase is 1, 2, and 1. Number 2 is incomplete dominance case or intermediate. Cross in the intermediate case occur when the characteristics of the two gens are equally strong. Thus, no gen is dominant or recessive. For example, the cross between red rose MM capital and white rose MM lowercase, where M capital and M lowercase are both dominant gens, and do the cross until you get F2. P1, MM capital is red and MM lowercase is white. F1 is M capital and M lowercase because M capital and M lowercase are both dominant, and F1 is pink. P2 is M capital and M lowercase pink. Then F2 is MM capital is red, M capital M lowercase is pink, and MM lowercase is white. The phenotype ratio is red, pink, and white, 1, 2, and 1, and the genotype ratio is MM capital, M capital, M lowercase, and MM lowercase is 1, 2, and 1. That's all the explain of the topic monohybrid cross. Thank you for your attention. See you later.